Today I'm going to show you how to make money online through your mobile money. This is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I got this money within 3 days through my mobile money. Now, for us to get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like this video, and hit on the bell notification icon so that when I drop amazing videos like this, you are going to be the first person to get it. Now, on this website, we are going to use just one of this to make 15 of this, right? We are going to use one of this to make 15 of this within some time, and it's not going to take long. And if you want to use one of this to make about 5 of this, that is going to take about 3 days. But if you like money like me and you want to use one of this to make more like this, that is going to take you about 30 days. And just take it as if you've thrown your 100 cedis on the floor. You get it? Yeah. So as I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the video. Let me show you what to do. So when you open the website, this is what you are going to see. First, you have to come and register. The registration, you enter your mobile number, you enter your password, invitation code, verification code. The verification code will be sent to your number, so you click on send. The verification code will be sent to your number, then you enter it here. But I have registered already, so let's quickly log in for me to teach you whatever I wanted to teach you. Let's fill in the password. So login is successful. Now, first of all, let me show you my withdrawal proofs. Let me show you my withdrawal proof. Now let's go to my withdrawal record. As you can see, I've withdrawn 120, I've withdrawn 370, 157, I've withdrawn 239, I've withdrawn 1,396, and I've withdrawn 562. So you can see, you can check the time. You can check the time. Now let's go back. When we go back, see, okay. So when you open, this will be the front page for you. This will be the front page. Now, with a stable, sustainable plan, they have the 100 cedis where you can earn 40 cedis every single day for 39 cedis. After the 39 cedis, you can calculate and you can see that you have 1,560 Ghana cedis. Simple. And this one, to the cocoa too, you can buy it for 500 cedis and earn 210 cedis every single day for 39 days, where it will amount to 8,190. And it goes on and on and on like that. It goes on and on. So the one that your strength can, that's what you will buy. So let's go to their VIP. Now, the VIPs are the best, right? The VIPs are the best. But you have to invite people in order to get access to the VIP, right? So let's go back. Let's go back. This is the VIP. They are VIP. This one. So this one, you have to invest 100 cedis and you get 160 cedis for every 3 days. So every day you get 60 cedis. Every day you get 60 cedis, and it will amount to 180 cedis. And this one, you buy it for 300 cedis, get 120 cedis every day for 5 solid days. That's going to amount to around 600 Ghana cedis. VIP 3 is there, VIP 4. It goes on and on and on like that. And we have the innovative. The innovative, you buy 100 cedis, you gain your money within 1 day, 150 cedis. You buy 200 cedis, you are the 200 cedis, you are going to wait, you are going to get 84 cedis for every single day for 42 days. That's going to amount for 528 Ghana cedis. And it goes on and on and on like that. Yeah, it goes on and on and on. And you can invite people to an end. So let's go to my team. You can invite people to an end. Level 1. I've invited 246 people. 25 people has registered and have invested already. Let's go and see how much I earned from that. So they are giving you about 36% of the money that your invitees will get. So this is the amount of money, commissions that I have gotten from them. I've gotten 1,292 Ghana cedis from them. And I have bought 2 products already. So I have the 3 days product and I have the normal product. One is a VIP and one is a sustainable. Yes, one is a VIP and one is a sustainable product. So I've placed the link in my bio. The link is in my bio. When you click on the link, you are going to come straight to this website so that you can also enjoy this money. I'm Julius and I'm out. I hope you like what I just taught you and it has been beneficial to all of us. My name is Julius. This is the Julius app. make sure you subscribe to this channel, you hit on the bell notification icon, so that when I drop amazing videos like this, you're going to be the first person to get it. My name is Julius, and I'm out.